5.11 tactical knives are precision-crafted blades trusted by professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. Renowned for their rugged construction and functionality, these knives serve diverse purposes, from utility tasks to self-defense. With durable materials and ergonomic designs, 5.11 tactical knives are essential tools that excel in demanding situations, embodying quality and reliability. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 10. 5.11 Courser 2.5-inch Folder that exemplifies precision, durability, and versatility. Crafted for those who demand exceptional performance, this knife is designed to excel in any situation. The Courser 2 boasts a robust, corrosion-resistant stainless steel blade that's ready for any cutting task, from daily chores to outdoor adventures. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, while the liner lock mechanism ensures safe and reliable operation. With dual thumb studs and a reversible pocket clip, it offers ambidextrous accessibility and ease of carry. Whether you're in the urban jungle, the great outdoors, or simply in need of a dependable tool, the 5.11 Courser 2 is your go-to folding knife for precision and reliability. Elevate your everyday carry with the Courser 2, where performance meets dependability. Number 9. 5.11 Sidekick Rescue Tool, the ultimate companion for first responders and those who value preparedness. Crafted for precision and reliability, this multifunctional tool is designed to excel in life-saving situations. The Sidekick Rescue Tool features a high-carbon steel blade with a serrated edge for cutting through seatbelts and clothing swiftly. Its integrated glass breaker and oxygen key provide essential functions for emergency extrication, while the bright red handle ensures easy visibility in critical moments. With a compact, easily accessible design, it's the ideal tool for law enforcement, firefighters, and anyone ready to step in during emergencies. Trust in the 5.11 Sidekick Rescue Tool for the versatility and dependability you need in challenging situations. Elevate your preparedness with this essential tool that stands ready to assist when every second counts. Number 8. 5.11 Depth Knife, a compact and versatile folding knife designed to meet the demands of everyday carry. Crafted for precision and durability, this knife is the perfect companion for those who value functionality and dependability. The Depth Knife boasts a high-quality stainless steel blade, delivering sharpness and reliability for a variety of cutting tasks. With its ambidextrous thumb studs and liner lock mechanism, it's easy to deploy and secure in place. The ergonomic handle design provides a comfortable grip, while the reversible pocket clip ensures easy carry for both left and right-handed users. Whether you're tackling daily challenges, outdoor adventures, or need a trustworthy tool in a pinch, the 5.11 Depth Knife is your go-to choice for dependable performance in a compact package. Elevate your everyday carry with this versatile and reliable folding knife. Number 7. 5.11 Tactical Karambit Folder, a knife that redefines versatility and functionality in a compact package. Crafted for precision and durability, this folding karambit is designed for those who demand top-tier performance. The karambit folder features a razor-sharp, corrosion-resistant stainless steel blade with a unique curved design, ideal for a variety of cutting tasks and self-defense applications. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip and allows for swift, precise maneuvers. With a sturdy liner lock mechanism, ambidextrous thumb studs, and a reversible pocket clip, this knife offers seamless deployment and easy carry for both left and right-handed users. Whether you need a dependable tool for daily chores, personal safety, or outdoor adventures, the 5.11 Tactical Karambit Folder delivers the perfect blend of precision and reliability. Elevate your everyday carry with this versatile and formidable folding knife. Number 6. 5.11 Xprt Folder, a tactical folding knife that exemplifies precision, versatility, and durability. Crafted for those who demand uncompromising performance, this knife is designed to excel in the most challenging situations. The Xprt Folder boasts a premium 35-fine steel blade with exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it the ideal choice for tactical and outdoor use. Its ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for precise control in any situation. With a sturdy liner lock mechanism, ambidextrous thumb studs, and a reversible pocket clip, it offers reliable deployment and easy carry for both left and right-handed users. Number 5. 5.11 Cis1 Tanto Combo Edge Knife. A tactical masterpiece designed for those who demand precision, versatility, and reliability in the field. Crafted with unwavering attention to detail, this knife is your ultimate tool for challenging situations. The Cis1 Tanto boasts a rugged AUS-8 stainless steel blade with a combination edge for a wide range of cutting tasks, from slicing to piercing. Its ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable grip and optimal control, even in high-stress situations. With a secure liner lock mechanism, ambidextrous thumb studs, and a reversible pocket clip, this knife offers quick and easy deployment, making it an ideal choice for both left and right-handed users. Whether you're on duty, in the wilderness, or just need a dependable tool for everyday challenges, the 5.11 Cis1 Tanto Combo Edge Knife is your trusted companion for precision and performance in any scenario. Elevate your gear with this tactical knife that's always ready to serve. Number 4. 5.11 Shield Badge Holder Knife. A revolutionary tool that combines the utility of a knife with the convenience of a badge holder, designed for those who value versatility and preparedness. Crafted with precision and innovation, this unique badge holder seamlessly integrates a high-quality stainless steel blade, ensuring you're always ready for unexpected situations. The badge holder itself is designed to accommodate most badge sizes, allowing for secure and discreet carry, perfect for law enforcement and security professionals. With its ergonomic handle and convenient blade release button, it offers a quick and controlled deployment, giving you the edge when time is of the essence. Whether you're on duty, in a security role, or simply need a multipurpose tool for everyday tasks, the 5.11 Shield Badge Holder Knife is your ideal choice for functionality and readiness. Elevate your gear with this innovative badge holder that's a cut above the rest. Number 3. 5.11 Game Stalker Folder Knife. A high-performance hunting knife designed for those who demand precision and reliability in the field. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this knife is your ultimate tool for hunting and outdoor adventures. The Game Stalker folder boasts a razor-sharp, corrosion-resistant stainless steel blade with a versatile drop-point design, making it ideal for skinning, field dressing, and other hunting tasks. Its ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet conditions, allowing for precise control. With a sturdy liner lock mechanism, ambidextrous thumb studs, and a reversible pocket clip, this knife offers quick and easy deployment, making it suitable for both left and right-handed users. Whether you're tracking game, field dressing, or simply need a dependable tool for the outdoors, the 5.11 Game Stalker Folder Knife is your trusted companion for precision and performance. Elevate your hunting experience with this knife that's built to excel in the wild. Number 2. 5.11 Double Duty Karambit Blade. A revolutionary tool that marries the traditional karambit design with modern tactical functionality, perfect for those who demand precision and versatility. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this knife is your ultimate tool for self-defense and everyday tasks. The double-duty karambit features a high-carbon AUS-8 stainless steel blade with dual edges, offering a variety of cutting options and rapid deployment capabilities. Its ergonomic E10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, while the innovative wave-shaped opening feature allows for quick one-handed deployment, making it ideal for self-defense situations. With its robust liner lock mechanism, reversible pocket clip, and ambidextrous thumb studs, this knife offers quick and easy access for both left and right-handed users. Number 1. 5.11 Urfa Plain Assisted Opener. A dependable and rapid deployment knife designed to meet the needs of law enforcement, first responders, and those who demand precision and speed in critical situations. Crafted with unwavering attention to detail, this knife is your trusted tool when every second counts. The ARFA plane assisted opener boasts a high-quality AUS-8 stainless steel blade with a straight-edge design, making it ideal for various cutting tasks, from rope work to utility chores. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even in high-stress situations, allowing for precise control. With its lightning-fast assisted opening mechanism, ambidextrous thumb studs, and a reversible pocket clip, this knife offers quick and easy access for both left and right-handed users, making it an essential tool for those who prioritize speed and reliability.